Welcome back to Rivers Cars. And if you've recently subscribed to this channel, then you're probably expecting a follow-up on this video about a group of Holdens that's for sale in Tennessee that may or may not be legal here in the States. Now, a follow-up is coming, but I really want to make sure that I get to the nitty-gritty truth of what's okay and what's not okay here in the country. And as such, I've talked to really all of the biggest players here in the United States when it comes to having a Holden. So I'm sorting out the facts to make sure that I give you the direct truth about the situation. So until then, I hope you'll enjoy this video about BMW M3 GT2 Race Car that I got to ride along in at BMW Test Fest 2023 for Carscoops. This particular car is one of BMW's fleet that swept the manufacturer, driver, and team GT class championships in the 2004 Rolex Sports Car Series. Now the livery you see on it here actually dates back to the 2006 American Le Mans Series. This car features a 3.4 liter inline six that makes about 450 horsepower, which is less than in the two cars that I rode in previously, the BMW M1 IMSA race car and the BMW Z4 GTLM race car. Despite that, this is the fastest of the three, and I think that's in part because the driver seemed to be trying to set a lap record every time he went around the track. And so maybe it was because of that aggressive nature, but shortly after the run that you're about to see, this car broke and had to be retired for the rest of the day. For now, sit back, turn your speakers up, and enjoy the sights and sounds of an E46 BMW M3 GT2 race car at BMW Performance Center.